Hello, everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, today we are going to learn how to create an image or how to create a particular flow diagram using a PowerPoint. So your PowerPoint is now becoming smarter day by day, and you can also now create yourself images, certain process diagrams, tree diagrams, hierarchical charts, etc. on the Microsoft PowerPoint itself. All you need to do is go to the insert button, and after going on the insert button, you will find different shapes. You will find insertion of different smart arts. Here you can see shapes, smart arts, and then in the smart art section you can choose the type of graph or the type of particular representation that you are asking for, like list, process, cycle, if it's a life cycle, or you need to show a continuous flow, hierarchy, relationships, matrix, pyramid. So if you want to show some importance of in an ascending order or in an descending order. And it also has an image section wherein you can insert your picture and then the associated text of that picture. So from this section you can insert the image of your choice. Along with that, if you want, you can create your own image as well. Here you have ample amounts of shape available, so you can use these shapes. Besides this, there are other editing apps as well, like Canva, Adobe, that help you and ease your and make your work quite easy. So you can use those application as well. Now many a times when we publish an article or we go for a processing of an article, there is requirement of a graphical abstract. What is a graphical abstract? It is a highlight of your entire article, so that image should be enough and should be suffice to explain and to represent your entire article. So that image designing is very important. You can either design it using these applications, or there are few AI image generators. So the names are GenCraft and VPic. These are AI generators that can generate an entire image from your text. All you need to do is enter two or three keywords, and then you can the image is generated quickly in just 5 to 10 seconds. So now AI has been very progressive. So it's time for us to adopt and to utilize these useful AI applications. So that's all for today's video. I hope you all did enjoy and did learn. Do let me know in the comment section if there are any doubts with respect to this topic, or if you want me to make a video on any particular topic. Thank you so much, everybody.